This will be perfect for the inner eye. You guys, I'm like so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Krisha. Today is the day the mystery boxes from Charlotte Tilbury arrived. I am super excited to open these up for you guys. Cyber Monday's today. I won't put this video up till probably tomorrow, so I don't think you guys will be able to get these boxes come when I post the video. However, I still think it's fun to watch these because A, it's just fun to watch these kinds of mystery unboxings, I think anyways, and B, it gives you guys an idea of what Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes are about. She has them at least 3-4 times a year. So I really can't wait. I got both of them and let's get straight into this unboxing. Right, so I got both of the boxes this time around, and I usually just get one or the other, or none, depending on what the sneak peeks are. But both boxes really intrigued me. The sneak peek in one of the boxes was the Film Star Bronze and Glow, which I have no idea when that last happened that she included it. And you could have chosen the light medium or the medium to dark, which is amazing. So you're getting about 50% off retail value in these boxes. You just don't know what most of the products are. She kind of tries to give you like little hints here and there. Like for example, the Dated Disco, you know, seems like it's going to be products that you can obviously transition and use into the evenings. I wonder if it's going to be like, you know, one of her palettes. Is that possible? Like that would be so exciting. So that's going to be the first box. Also, during her Black Friday sale and sometimes during her other sales of the year, she has free gifts when you purchase over a certain amount of money. This time around, I think if you purchased over $150, you got the Walk of No Shame eye palette. Over $180, I think it was, you got that plus a lipstick. And then over $250, you got the Walk of No Shame, you got the lipstick, and you got the Pillow Talk blush. Like, she was going all out this Black Friday. In addition to the mystery box, I ended up purchasing a little kit. She had 40% off a lot of her like little makeup kind of combo kits. This was the lipstick with lip liner combo, almost $40. You end up getting like the lip liner for free. And I've really wanted to try her Pink Venus lip liner. I love her original Pillow Talk. I use that one pretty much every day. Like I have a backup just ready to go right away here. And I wanted Pink Venus because I feel like this was going to be a super nice, you know, kind of like mid-toned pink color to go with some of my more pinky shades, give some of my nudes a little bit more punch. And I ended up choosing the Matte Revolution in Lost Cherry, which was what looked like a really beautiful, bright, almost like coral shade, but slightly pinky coral. And I know this is definitely more of a summertime shade, but I couldn't resist. I feel like it's going to be just a really beautiful coral come summer, and I just didn't want anything too wintry for some odd reason with the Pink Venus. I legit feel it's going to be such a perfect combination together, and I just want to put it on. Why not? It's a really beautiful nude pink. It just has slightly more pink than Pillow Talk. So pretty. It just has that nice kind of like waxy, slightly tacky formula, yet it's slightly sheer. It is honestly the most perfect lip liner formula. And then we'll do the Lost Cherry. That's crazy. I love it. And I absolutely love the Matte Revolution formula. I used to be more of a kissing formula, Kissing. So cute. I was definitely more of a fan of that formula. And I feel like something has changed maybe in the Matte Revolution formula, that I feel like it just has less of a slippy waxiness and a little bit slightly more of a cushy tackiness kind of to it, and not in a bad way, but in a very much like lip gripping way. I'm just really digging how comfortable her Matte Revolution formula is, and it stays on really well too. I do feel like it is a beautiful color combination, and I'm super happy to have this come probably more summertime, but that's okay. Day 2 Disco Mystery Box comes in box like this, which is the outer box, and then you get the gift box inside. So it's packaged really secure. These boxes are absolutely incredible to reuse for storing anything. Storing makeup, storing, I don't know, photographs, storing essentially anything. So that's the gift box there. That's how it comes in. It lifts up and then you get all the goodies. So again, this one, I know for sure it has the Film Star Bronze and Glow. Let's grab that one first because I'm just like so excited to finally have this in my life. And I mean, I know I have it in some of my instant palettes, but it's not the same as having, I think, the Film Star Bronze and Glow on its own. And then kind of opens like that. And then you just kind of have a little flap there. And dun da da da. Cult classic Film Star Bronze and Glow. I am so happy this is finally in my life. Oh my God, I'm so excited. As soon as I saw that that was one of the products, I'm like, yes, because I was actually gonna buy one of the gift sets with the Film Star Bronze and Glow, but none of the gift sets were calling my name because I would either have other products that were in that gift set. So when I saw it in the mystery box, I'm like, yeah, it's a risk because I probably have all the other products in the mystery box, but at least then it's fun to open and I can set those aside for giveaways. It's stunning. I can't wait to use this. I love using that particular, you know, bronzer that's in my instant eye palette, especially from the Love collection as my nose contour, under eye, just slightly contour for the lash line. I can't wait to use this for just like every day. And the packaging is so glam, so like Art Deco, it's just perfection. Am I the only Charlotte Tilbury fan that doesn't have that product? Who else has it? Let me know down below. All right, next up, I think also in this one there was a lipstick in sort of a really more dark shade, Mi Kiss. Yeah, so this used to be, I think, the Bond Girl lipstick, and now they're calling it like Mi, instead of Mi6, I'm guess Mi Kiss, which is so cute. Typical Charlotte Tilbury classic bullet packaging. And then the color is going to be, ooh, very dark, almost like the Chanel Rouge Noir, but probably not as dark. So stunning, you guys. This probably suits my outfit a little bit more. Should I put it on? Why don't we? Let's just put it on. Little bit of a stained lip. Now I'm kind of peeking in there, and a lot of the products don't look full size. And I knew that because I feel like if it is full size, she mentions that. I love this lipstick. It is such a beautiful, cool toned, deep berry, but like a mauve-y berry, not overly brown either. I do feel like it is in her older Matte Revolution formula though. It does have that slightly more kind of like waxy quality, but still cushy, still pretty comfy. And now I'm definitely, you know, fall winter vibes. So those were the two products that were sneak peeked. Film Star Bronze and Glow, Mi Kiss. Next one I see here, a small version of the push-up lashes, which I actually reviewed, and I had a hard time applying this with the wand. And I love rubber wands, but this one had that sort of like flat disc on it, but I can't wait to try it again. I do feel like I want to give it another go. I do prefer her Legendary Lashes Volume 2. I have that one on the go right now, my vanity, and I absolutely love that mascara. Next up is a 15 ml size of the Magic Cream. This will go into a giveaway because the sneak peek of the bigger box had the full size of the Magic Cream, which I'm loving. I'm using one right now. It's just so emollient, and it just gives you the most perfect base for makeup. Come, you know, fall, winter, switching over to that for my day cream has been a godsend at keeping my skin just plump, and I don't mind being slightly shiny. I mean, this is all day at work, right? So I'm not too worried, but I kind of like that. I don't want to look overly dry during the winter, and I feel like this cream is just like dewy perfection. So next up, we have Jewel Lips. Which color? Pillow Talk. Which one do I have? I feel like I have Walk of No Shame going right now. Yes, I brought out the one I have on the go. I love this lip gloss. I have it in the Walk of No Shame. Let's open up the Pillow Talk. I'm so excited. I don't have this either. That's the best when you get a mystery box and you don't have the items. I mean, how often does that happen when you're addicted to a brand? It is such a beautiful formula, you guys. So that's Pillow Talk, slightly more, I don't know, light and pinky, and then that's Walk of No Shame. And I'll show you guys some swatches too. So Pillow Talk, Walk of No Shame. Oh, I love it. It's shiny. It has a little bit of a slight kind of like balmy tackiness, but it's not sticky. It's just kind of very cushy, and I think it's gonna look beautiful over top of lipstick versus just kind of a standalone. We have Walk of No Shame and then the Pillow Talk. But as you can see, very sheer, very glossy, Kind of reminds me of the Buxom ones, but just probably a slight less tackiness to them and no mintiness to these ones, obviously. But one of my favorite lip gloss formulas for sure. Moving along, moving along. Color Chameleon, Color Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil, Champagne Diamonds. Oh, this is the little stick. I don't have this either. Yes, this will be perfect for the inner eye. You guys, I'm like so excited. Right now, I have a cargo pen on the go. Cargo is so impossible to get. I used to be able to buy it at London Drugs, a couple other different retailers, and it's impossible to find in Canada now. So I really need a replacement of that inner eye pencil. So this one here, I'll give you guys a swatch. See, it just has like a champagne quality. And I just feel it'll be perfect for the inner eye. So let's see. Yes. I mean, I already have something on my inner eye, but I feel like this is just a golden perfection. Less icy than my cargo one, but I feel like it's going to be really, really wearable. You could probably use it on your brow bone, kind of center of the lid, just to give a little bit extra shine. For me, I'll definitely be using it in the inner corner. I feel like that's where I'm gonna really like using it. I do feel these ones can dry out very quick. I feel like I had it in the brown, and I do remember the formula kind of drying out potentially really, really quick. It is a pencil you need to sharpen. However, I will use this because I love a beautiful champagne pencil for the inner eye. I prefer using that over like a brush and shadow. All right, so where are we at? We're at 6, Film Star Bronze and Glow, Mi Kiss, Magic Cream, a Small Pillow Talk mascara, diamonds, lip gloss. Yeah, we're at 6. One more item, you guys, and I think it's a shadow. Flawless Filter Luxury Palette, Diva Lights. I don't have this either. I feel like I did review the one color, and I don't think I bought this one. Did I buy this one? Did I give it away? No. This is so gorgeous. I am so impressed with this. I think this formula performs super beautifully when it's slightly wet. I remember being slightly disappointed with this palette in that lighter shade. I'll definitely be doing a look, you guys. Why not? We'll do just sort of a full face of Charlotte Tilbury. I'm really excited for that. I have too much going on in my eyes right now to add anything, but I'm very impressed. That was the last product in the Data Disco box, and I'm actually blown away. And I'm really impressed with how well curated this box was. There was a theme, you know, like Data Disco, and I do feel it suits that theme. Cannot recommend her mystery boxes enough. I'll list all the products that were in each box again. I'm over the moon. Let's go on to the next one, you guys. This is my Christmas, you know? It's like my girls have real Christmas, but for me, Black Friday is Christmas, I think. I wasn't going to buy this box. I felt like, no, like this one was over $230 because I think the original value is definitely around that $500 mark. I don't need 2 mystery boxes, but again, the free product in this one, or the sneak peek, I really wanted because it is the full size of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Same kind of inner box. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is the full size. I'm sure I'll be using it up. Not relatively quick, but before winter's over, I'm gonna definitely need to use this well into February, March, before I can switch over to the Charlotte Tilbury Light Magic Cream, which I like to use going into more springtime and early fall usually. So next up we have, and this is her iconic box, just to kind of remind everyone, this is the 9 full-size items. Tinted Love Lip and Cheek Tint. I don't think these ones did that well. I feel like I must have reviewed this too. This is in Blushed Rose. So this is going to be one of her lip stains. I must have reviewed this. Maybe I didn't. I actually don't know. I do have a Charlotte Tilbury playlist, which you guys are very, very welcome, of course, to scroll through my reviews and so forth. I remember this being really sheer, so I must have tried this, and whether or not I filmed it, I'm not sure. Next up, Full Fat Lashes. And this mascara, I don't know, I'm kind of getting disappointed with this box. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm not as excited about this one. I just feel like this mascara did not give enough oomph. I'm not gonna open it because I might be giving this one away. I do like a little bit more volume in my mascara. I think it's a nice natural mascara, but I don't remember it being volumizing enough for me. So that one's gonna go into a giveaway. So far the cream is amazing. Tint and mascara, I'm just not like overly excited about. Pillow Talk Diamonds in Lucky Diamonds. I actually have one of these, if not two. This is gonna be the really thin stick, you know, lipstick, and this one has a huge amount of shimmer in it. This will probably go into a giveaway. Will make sure not to touch it. This is in Lucky Diamonds, and it's going to have a ton of shimmer, a slightly nudie, browny kind of undertone to this one, and it's a beautiful lip topper. I love the one in Pillow Talk because it has just that slightly pink, kind of like champagne quality to it. It has a little bit of grit because the glitter in there is pretty intense, but I don't mind that as a topper. I feel like it just kind of amps up your look. Cheek to Chic, I see a blush, which I have almost all of them. So which one is this? Pillow Talk. Yeah, so these are definitely iconic products. Absolutely. This will go into a giveaway as well. It's in her iconic shade, Pillow Talk. This is gonna be a really nice giveaway box for you guys. So stay tuned for that. I'm sure once I reach like 2,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. Super excited for that to come. Scent of a Dream. This is her perfume, which I actually have never smelled. This is so exciting. Let's just take a quick sniff here. I'm already getting it. A lot of patchouli, you guys. A lot of patchouli. And this is in the which size? 30 ml. The bottle, like, oh, it's just so pretty for the vanity. You know what I mean? What a beautiful bottle. I can already smell it. It's just that really almost like classic vanity, slightly, it's like, I think what they would call a Kypra, almost retro-y, kind of 70s, you know what I mean? Like I almost imagine someone wearing this and going to a disco. Like it's very sexy. Like we're talking like Brazilian disco, you know what I mean? Next up, we have a lipstick, and this is in the Kissing formula in the shade Stoned Rose. I don't have this one. This is definitely going to have a little bit more of a terracotta and slightly kind of more like orangey undertone quality. Let's do a bit of a swatch. So yeah, slightly warm terracotta quality to it in that very creamy Kissing formula. I think it's one of the most beautiful creamy formulas out there actually. Two more products. We have a liner, Rock and Coal in Bedroom Black. Can't go wrong with the black eyeliner. I don't usually wear black as eyeliner, so I am gonna put that into the giveaway. That eyeliner is great because it has a really nice smudginess quality to it. You can put it on, slightly smudge it out, make it a little bit more worn in. Just very like rock and roll-ish, definitely vibe to that. Last but not least, we have a palette of pops in the Pillow Talk shade, and I have this one. I have it somewhere that's not on the go. I'm gonna have to use one of these as a giveaway. It's gonna be her palette of pops, so all pop shades in various sort of like nuanced tones. Absolutely beautiful. It is a beautiful box with, again, very unique products. And some are a little bit disappointing because that mascara is not, to me, like her winning mascara in my opinion in her collection. I do feel like her Legendary Lashes is just a stunning formula. And the cream is absolutely amazing. And this, I need to just go like seriously to a disco. But who's going to discos these days, you know? I just feel like, look at this bottle. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I absolutely love these Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes. I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me, and I do feel the Data Disco is just like really blown me away. Not one duplicate. The price was so good as well. The Iconic box was really beautiful too. So many beautiful full-size products. Some I'm going to throw into obviously a giveaway. I had some duplicates in that one. So next milestone, I'm definitely going to be doing a really beautiful Charlotte Tilbury giveaway. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Lots of beauty videos, some fashion, health stuff sprinkled in between as well. Ring the notification bell to get notified of when I do upload next. And I'm going to leave you with a Charlotte Tilbury video to watch next. It is going to be my review of her Super Nudes collection, one of my favorite collections that she's released this last year. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you enjoy watching that video next, and I wish you all the best, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.